Watch out! You have to roll the ball out further. Okay, put it on the floor. Okay, now do it. Now sit on it. Bounce, bounce, bounce. What's that called? What is that? What is it? A ball. You want this one?
Yeah. No.
No? You want Mommy to have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dada.
Dada's in the shower. What are you doing?